there. Alright, so today we are going to make some potato salad, but not any ordinary potato salad. We're going to do it on our Pitbull smoker. I have here red potato. I've already chopped them up. Just want to show you real quick what we're doing here. About 1 inch. One's a little bit too big. 1 inch pieces, just like that. Throw them in there. Now, I have here some garlic butter with cilantro and parsley in it. Take a couple nice helping handfuls of that, or knifefuls of that. 2 of them to start with. I got my cast iron pan here. Drop them in there. You know what? Never hurt to have one more. Now the potatoes, I left them in water. I just drained them out. All right, we'll make sure they're dry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these cook down. I'm going to let them get a little soft. Then we're going to take them out. We're going to let them cool a little bit. We're going to mix them up. And we're going to make a potato salad. Like a country style potato salad. Listen to that sizzle though. That's going to be some good eats there. I put it down in aluminum foil down there. So while you're mixing it, if any potatoes fall out, you'll catch on the aluminum foil and just pick it back up, throw it back in there. Now be careful, that pan's going to be hot when it comes off of there. Alright. Potatoes are done. As you can see, the garlic and the seasoning and the butter and the concentration of that smoke. Oh, this is going to be so good. Alright, put them inside the mixing bowl here. Alright, so here, oops, just lost my glove. Here I chopped up some dill pickle and I got some Vidalia onion. Drop them right in there. That was 1 whole Vidalia onion and 4 pickles. Alright. Mix that through a little bit. Oh man, you guys gotta get smell-o-vision. Alright, so now we're gonna stay with the theme, the Vidalia onion. I got some more of that Ken's. Finish that one up. About half of that. Mix it in there. Now you just want to gradually mix them in. You don't want to toss around. You don't want to break up the potatoes here. Potato salad, not mashed potatoes. Let everything get nice and happy in there. It's looking pretty good so far. Now we got this all incorporated like that. Now, oh, that's good. Alright, this is celery, organic celery seed. You can, if you want to, sprinkle a little bit on there. Alright, so we've had this in the icebox now for about half an hour. And everything's incorporated in there real nice. That's that Vidalia onion vinaigrette salad dressing. Red potatoes that we cooked on the Pitbull smoker in a cast iron pan using a garlic butter mix. So we're going to go ahead and transfer this over into this plate here. But look how creamy, look how creamy that is. Oh, that's going to be so, so good. You couldn't buy that kind of love in the store. Well, we'll have a taste of this. See how good I actually did. I can't lie, I've already had several tastes, but this one's on video. The potatoes, they're al dente. Not too soft, not too hard. That vinaigrette salad dressing with that pickles, the onion, just insanely good. Try it. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. All right, folks. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, God bless. Happy eats.